Hey, this is the ZealSound wireless charger. You can charge up to 3 devices at once. Check this out. I've never seen anything quite like this. This is it. Look at this. There's no open and close. There's no buttons to push. All you're going to do is just plug it in the back like this, and it's ready to go. And you just lay your phones on it and it's going to charge them. Now, ZealSound did send this to me in exchange for my honest opinion. I'm going to tell you everything that you need to know about this. All right, so here it is. You're just going to lay it on any flat surface. This is a completely dead Android phone. Let's just go ahead and lay that on there and give that a second. We got an iPhone. We'll go ahead and lay that down. And that's going to go ahead. There we go. That's going to start to charge. We've got another iPhone here. We'll lay that one on there. It's going to start to charge for us. And then this Android here in the middle. All right. It took about 35, 40 seconds for it to finally start charging because it is a completely dead battery and it's a bigger battery. So we've got 3 devices on here. It doesn't matter. As long as your phone supports wireless charging, you're going to be able to set it on here and charge. This is going to be great for your bedside. It's going to be great for the kitchen area. Not only does this look great, it looks like a piece of art. It's going to like sit right there on your counter, be a good conversational piece. We lose charging cubes like they're going out of style. It's insane. I'm always buying charging cubes because they walk off. This is going to be really hard to get lost and to lose because you're just going to have to keep it plugged in, sitting on the countertop, sitting next to the bed, sitting on a dresser. This is going to be great for college, just college dorm. If you're sharing a room or an apartment, it's going to be a great community little charging station. It looks awesome. This fabric is great. Never seen anything quite like it. This is the ZealSound wireless charger. You can do up to 3 devices at one time. They did a great job with this one, so definitely pick this one up. I highly recommend it. That is my quick review, and as always, thanks for watching.